flag. Closing in on the front. Keep going. Keep pushing. You yank the middle of the car in front. Closing in on the front. Keep going. Oh, you nailed that challenge. Closing in on the front. Keep going. Keep digging. You'll get them. Keep pushing. You yank the middle of the car in front. Don't scratch the car. Easy now. Wow, look at this place. It's really booming. Tuck in tight. Lights out, final lap. Closing in on the front, going. Keep it up, you're gaining on them. Closing in on the front, going. Closing in on the front, going. Great pass, shake and bake. Easy, easy, easy. There you go, you got it. Keep pushing, you gained a bit on the car in front. Don't scratch the car. Easy now. Keep digging. You'll get them. Hey, you're going to tear up my car. Whoa, watch the wall. Closing in on the front. Going. Keep off the wall, driver. Hey, you're going to tear up my car. Keep it up. You're gaining on them. Watch the wall, driver. Watch it. That's the big part. Whoa! You're going to wreck both of you. Keep pushing. You gained the middle of the car in front. Take it easy, driver. Easy, easy, easy. Easy now. Whoa! You're going to wreck both of you. Closing in on the front, going. Watch it, that's the legal mark. Whoa, you're gonna wreck both of you. Watch it, that's the legal mark. Keep it up. You're gaining on them. off the wall, driver. Off the wall, driver. Keep digging. You'll get them. Watch the wall, driver. Don't scratch the car. Easy now. Keep pushing. Yank the middle of the car in front. Whoa! You're going to wreck both of you. Whoa! Watch the wall. Off the wall, driver. Closing in on the front. Keep going. Okay, there we go. You got it. Keep it up. You're gaining on them. Lights out. One more time. Pushing. Yank the middle of the car in front. Hey, you're going to tear up my car. Closing in on the front. Keep going. Alright, you got them right here. Set them up, get your marks.
Yes. Yes. Huh? Wow, yes.
Download and solve the puzzles now.
Keep it up. You're gaining on them. Smooth pass, bud.